Ikaw rin. Ayan, dito. Kuya! Dito!
Okay, well said. On there is jersey number 14. Ready there?
Ali, no mercy! No problem, no mercy! Oh!
Point by New Jersey.
You want?
Ay, meron po. Hindi ako.
Ano pala?
Service by Josh. Point by City Jersey. All one. Okay, Opo. That boy.
Push your mother.
Tell your mother I love you. That ball service by jersey number 11. Point by New Jersey. Official score 2-1.
Sino yung nag-ero ng ano, sir?
Service on deck is jersey number 13. Official score 3-1. In favor of New Jersey. Official score is 4-2 in favor of New Jersey. Outside. 4-3 official score. Service on deck is jersey number 18.
Marami po. Kailangan natin yung sugar.
Service ace by jersey number 18. Official score 0-4.
Basta yung rock diba, hindi nalalaro ha? Kung may laro pa sila, hindi na sila.
So, panalo na lang.
7 yun. Panalo na yun.
Default na
7 yun.
Set by Jessas, 5 James favor. Official score 5-4 in favor of City Jersey.
Sabi ng article 2. Kanina nag-dito.
Boy, service ace. For the third time, jersey number 18 still in the service on deck. Point by New Jersey. Official score 5-6 in favor of City Jersey. Fault. By Joyce.
So, ang score, Simply Jessie.
Simply Jessie points.
Natalo po namin sila Kuya Roger sa kanina. So tayo pa rin.
Point.
Ano ba naman? Kasi kumain ako ng chocolate.
Lead. Good boy.
Wala, lalaglag na yung
That boy. Once again, service by April. Officially score all 7 in favor of 7. For the second time, service on deck is April. Service error. Service by jersey number 13. Officially score all 8 in favor of 8. Jersey number 20, service on deck. Receive. Set.
Tignan na naman yung bata tinira.
9-8.
Kip-kip ka ng dalawa.
In over. Pinuha ni Ali si net. Pinala ni Josh. Drop ball.
Rainy.
Point. All 9. Looks like championship. Service error. 10-9 in favor of Simply Jessie. Service on deck is jersey number 16. Fighter. Visit April. Point by Simply Jessie. Officially score 11-9. For the second time, service on deck, jersey number 16.
Anti-issue.
Point! Service ace! Officially scored 12-9. Oh!
Sino?
Sorry for the score.
Dito sa Chelsea.
Yeah.
Chelsea ang score. Bawas dito. 8-11.
8, 10, and 12.
11.
Okay.
11.
11, 10, sorry.
11-10?
Palit daw sila eh.
Wait lang, kasi mali ng announcement ng referee. Okay. 1 point. Inside.
Kaso, ano,
Point.
Okay.
Well,
Bola na naman! Dito mo yan ang bola!
okay.
Long, the copy, please, your kids. Now that this is the play.
Ito naman parang Pilipino at saka India.
Okay, back to the ball game. Official score 12-10 in favor of Simply Jessie.
Bakit?
Wrong
Bakit?
rotation. Again. Dahil dyan,
Dahil dyan,
11-12. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Simply Jessie.
anong meron sa inyo?
Ayos muna. Station nyo.
Okay.
Sayang Sayang naman, paayos!
Sayang!
1 point to go.
Ayaw nyo ba manalo?
Thirteen 11.
Okay lang din ang paano niya kung
Ating service on that is jersey number 18. Official score 13-11 in favor of CB Chelsea. Point by Ali. Only 1 point, the advantage of CB Chelsea. Official score 12-13. Service by Ali. Error. 1-13. Substitution. Jersey number 3 in.
14 out.
Number 14 out. Wait, tulog ba? Charot. Point. Service ace, change favor. This time, official score 14-13 in favor of Raymond Jensen. Service by Ali. Service ace. 1 point to go. Set point. Official score 15-13. Yeah. Release over.
Game over! Santo.
16-13. Next game.